friends, very good morning to you all. Yes, here, welcome back to our online class. We are taking here one of the chapter, that is perimeter and area. ಯಾವ chapter discussion ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀವಿ? Perimeter and area. What we have seen in our previous class? Yes, we have discussed about how to find the perimeter of rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, then also perimeter of the circle. It is nothing but the circumference of the circle. Okay, and next also we have seen how to find the area of these all the things. So for that we got one of the standard formula in our previous class. Now we have to see those all formula. Yes, here perimeter of the square, what? 4 into side. Then perimeter of the rectangle, yes, perimeter of the rectangle 2 times of length plus breadth. Then if you take a triangle, in a triangle there are 3 categories based on sides. So if all 3 sides of the triangle are equal, equilateral, then what is the formula to find perimeter of the equilateral triangle? 3 into side. Why? There are 3 sides, those all are equal. Then perimeter of the what? Isosceles triangle, 2 times of 2 sides are equal, 2 times of equal sides into the third side. If all 3 sides of the triangle are different, now we have to find a plus b plus c. Then if you come to perimeter of the parallelogram, yes, parallelogram, same like a rectangle, 2 times of a plus b. Then next, so finally if you come to circle, yes, circle perimeter you can call by one more word, that is a circumference of the circle. Then how to find the circumference here? C equal to 2 pi r. What is the value of pi here? Pi equal to 22 by 7. Yes, these all are in terms of unit. Okay, 3 side unit, 2 into l plus b unit, 3 into side unit, 2a plus b in a triangle. Okay, and same we have discussed about the areas also in our previous class. We have seen the areas. Yes, what is the formula to find the area of the circle? Area of the square? Side into side. Is it visible? Yes, okay. Side into side. Next, area of the rectangle. Yes, area of rectangle. Length into breadth. Yes, we have seen length into breadth. Next comes to area of the parallelogram. If you take the area of parallelogram, then what is the formula to find the area of the parallelogram? Same like a rectangle, but here in place of breadth we have considered the height of the parallelogram. Then in place of length we have taken that as a base of the parallelogram. So what is the formula here? Base into height. Then half of the area of the parallelogram is equal to what? Area of the triangle. So for that purpose, area of the triangle formula is what? Half base into height. Half base into height. Next come to circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. Yes, in our previous class we have seen how it means. So area of the circle is pi r square. All these areas are in terms of square unit. All these areas in terms of what? Square unit. Okay. So regarding these, we have to see some of the problems today. Today's session we have to see the problems based on perimeter and area related to square, rectangle, circle, parallelogram as well as triangle. Okay. So just I will take one of the question here, that is, if the side of a square is 10.5 centimeter, then find its perimeter. Yes, if the side of the square is how much? Square is 10.5 centimeter. Then find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. It is too easy. Yes or no? So here, you know the side of the square. What is that? 10.5 centimeter. Then, if it is a square, here how many sides are there? There are 4 sides. All are equal to 10.5 centimeter. Then, what is the perimeter of the square? 4 into side. Why? We have to add all these 4 sides for getting the perimeter. So, here perimeter equal to 4 into side is 10.5 centimeter. Yes. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry after this one decimal point. 4 into 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. Then 4 1s are 4. 42 centimeter is the perimeter of this square. 42 centimeter is the perimeter of this square. Yes, it is too easiest thing. And same way, one more question. The length and breadth of a rectangle are 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter. What is its perimeter? Take here second one. The length and breadth of rectangle are 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Then find its perimeter. Yes, it is too easy. Already he has given everything. So if you take, this is one of the rectangle. Here what is the length? He has given. Length is 12 centimeter and breadth is how much? 8 centimeter. Then we are finding here the perimeter of the rectangle. What we have to find? Perimeter means length of the rectangle 12 centimeter. Then the breadth is 8 centimeter. He has given. He has asked the perimeter. Perimeter is, what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Yes, 2 into L plus B. 2, L is 12 plus 8, how much? 20. 2 into 20 is how much? 40 centimeter is the perimeter of that rectangle. How much it is? 40 centimeter. Like this, if he has asked the questions, we are ready to solve that. Yes, so I hope you have written. Shall we take the another question here? Let's take here one more. That is, the length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. If its perimeter is 18 centimeter, then what is its breadth? Yes, the length of a rectangle is, here he has not given any numbers, but we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Yes, take here. The length of a rectangle is twice of its breadth. If its perimeter is 18 centimeter, then find the length and breadth of the rectangle. How? Take here. A. The length of rectangle is twice of its breadth. Twice of its breadth. Or the length of rectangle is twice of its breadth if its perimeter is 18 centimeter. If its perimeter is 18 centimeter, then find its length and breadth. Then find its what? Length as well as breadth. Means here only he has given the perimeter, then how to find the length and breadth? But he has given one of the relation, that is length of rectangle is twice of its breadth. It is very important. Length is equal to what? 2 times of its breadth. If you take your rectangle, this is your rectangle. Length is, if you take as a L and breadth is B, here length is equal to what? 2 times of its breadth. Length is what? Twice of its breadth. 2 times of its breadth. Yes, L in terms of breadth you got. So length of the rectangle 2 times of its breadth and breadth is b, and we know that total perimeter of this rectangle is how much? Perimeter of the rectangle is how much? He has given 18 centimeter. Yes, 18 centimeter. We know the length, we know the breadth, we know the what? Perimeter. Then length and breadth in terms of variables, so we can find that variable now. Yes or no? Okay. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times of L plus B. Yes. Length is equal to what? 2B plus breadth is equal to B as it is. Okay. Then perimeter is how much? 18 centimeter. If 2 comes this side, it divides. Yes. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 2 times of banana plus 1 more banana. How many banana? 2 banana plus 1 more banana. How many banana? 3 banana. So 2b plus b is 3 times of b. 3 times of b means it is nothing but here there is a multiplication. Yes or no? So now 18 by 2 is how much? 9. Then 3 into b. 9 is equal to 3 into b. Let's simplify this one. Just you need a b. Now 3 if it comes to left side, it becomes a divide. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. So breadth of the rectangle is how much? 3 centimeter. Then what is its length? Length is equal to 2 times of breadth. Breadth is 3. 2 3 ja 6 centimeter. Yes, the length of the rectangle is 6 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter. Just we have to understand what he has given here. Length and breadth relation he has given. With that perimeter given, then we can find the exact length as well as the breadth values. Yes, just pause this video and take it. Yes, is it over? Yes, the next one. If the breadth and perimeter of the rectangle he has given, then you can find the length of the rectangle also. No problem. Okay, take care. If the breadth and perimeter of a rectangle are 2 cm and 14 cm, if the length and breadth of a rectangle are 2 and 14, then you have to find its breadth. Yes, take here, looking forward. If the length and breadth of a rectangle are, whatever you can take. Length I will take as, so length and perimeter. Length and perimeter I will give, you have to find the breadth. Length is 10 centimeter and perimeter is 22 centimeter. Then find respectively. These two are respectively. Then find its breadth. You have to find the breadth. Two things he has given. One it is length is how much? 10 centimeter and perimeter is how much? How much? 22 centimeter. Then you can find the breadth. Okay. Here this is a rectangle. Its length is how much? 10 centimeter and breadth we don't know. But its perimeter is how much? 22 centimeter. We know how to find the perimeter of the rectangle. How? Perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 times of L plus D. T is 22 centimeter. Then 2 as it is length is 10 centimeter. Then breadth is don't know B. 2 comes this side. It divides 22 by 2. 22 by 2, it is 11. 10 centimeter plus breadth is equal to how much? 11. Then breadth is equal to what? 11 minus 10. 11 minus 10 is what? 1 centimeter. What is the breadth of this rectangle here? 1 centimeter. Yes, just pause it and take this one. Yes, we have to see the problems related to perimeter of the triangle perimeter of the parallelogram and triangle later. Then we have to see now how to find the area of the square, area of the rectangle. Yes, the side of a square is, yes, one more. The side of square is 2.5 centimeter. What is its area? What is its what? Area. Yes, we find it. Here, this is a square. Here, one of the side is given how much? 2.5 centimeter. Then we have to find its area. This all area we have to find. Okay. Side we are given 2.5 centimeter. Then what is the formula to find the area of the square? It is side into side. Area of the square is side into side. How much? 2.5 into 2.5. So just multiply here 2.5 by 2.5. Otherwise, 25 is a square of 25 is what? 625. 625. After 1, 2 digit we have to give the decimal point. It becomes 6.25. Yes. So area of the square is here 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, centimeter into centimeter. It becomes a square centimeter or centimeter square. So here our area is 6.25 square centimeter is the area of the rectangle. Sorry, square. Yes, he has given the side here. Then you can find the area of the square. Just pause it and take this answer. Next we will take one more question here. Same way for a rectangle. Yes. Over? Yes. Next one more, take here one more question. If the area of a rectangle is 20 centimeter square or square centimeter, if its length is 5 centimeter, then find its breadth. Yes, take here one more. If the area of rectangle is, if the area of rectangle is 20 centimeter square or square centimeter and its length is 5 centimeter and its length is 5 centimeter, then find its what? Breadth. He has given here length as well as area. We need to find the breadth. How? Yes, this is a rectangle. Yes, see here. The area of the rectangle he has given here. What is that area? 20 centimeter square. Yes. Area is how much? 20 centimeter square and its length how much he has given? 5 centimeter. Then we have to find the breadth of the rectangle. Okay. So what is the formula to find the area of a rectangle here? Just area of the rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Okay. Length into breadth. Yes, what is the area here? 20 centimeter square equal to length is 5 centimeter into breadth is B as it is. Okay. Just we want a B. Keep this B here and remaining thing take in another side. 20 centimeter square. So write as centimeter into centimeter. Yes. Divided by 5 centimeter. Centimeter get cancelled. Next 5 1 5 4 then which is equal to what? Breadth. So it means breadth of the rectangle is what here? 4 centimeter. Yes, like this. If he has given the area and the length, you can find the breadth. Otherwise, if he has given the breadth, then he not given the length with the area. If he has given, then you can find the length also like this. Yes, just pause it and take this answer. Yes. Now let's see some of the exercise problems based on the length and perimeter and area of a rectangle as well as square. Yes. Okay. Just take the exercise. What 11.2. page number 208. What is the first question here? Let's take here. What is the first question? The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area. The cost of the land is 1 meter square. 1 meter square of the land cost is how many rupees? 10,000. Then what is the total cost of this rectangular land? We have to find. So first, what he has given? Length and breadth of the rectangular block. Yes. Here length is how much? 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. He has given. Find its area. If you know the length and breadth of the rectangle, can you find the area of the rectangle? Yes. How? You know the formula. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into D. Length is 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. Here what is the first question? Find its area. Area of a rectangle. Length into breadth. So area is length is 500 meter into 300 meter. So 5 3s are 15. 20 20. So 40 into meter square. So area of the rectangular land is what? How much? 150 meter square. Yes. Now we have to find the cost of the land. Total cost of the land. If the 1 meter square land cost is how many rupees? 10,000 rupees. Then what is the total cost of this land? Okay. So second question. Total cost of the land is equal to what? Area into cost of 1 meter square. Cost of 1 meter square. Yes, area is how much? 150,000 meter square into 1 meter square. Cost is 10,000 rupees. So totally how much it becomes? 1540 plus these 40 4 4. So how much rupee? How much rupee? 10,000. Yes, 10,000 lakh. 150 crore rupees it needs. So what is the cost here? 150 crore rupees it needs. Yes, just pause it and take this answer. Yes. Shall we go to the next question here? Yes, what is the next question? Second question. Find the area of a square for whose perimeter is 320 meter. It is very interesting question. Yes. Find the area of a square for whose perimeter is 320 meter. Yes. Second one, very interesting. Here there is a square part. Yes. Its perimeter he has given. Yes, what he has given? Perimeter of this square part is how much? 320 meter. But now we have to find its area. What is the area of the square part? How we need to find? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? Area of square is side into side. But we don't know the side only. Then how we have to find? But you know the perimeter value? Yes. Then how can we find with the perimeter? How we have to find the side? It's possible or not? Yes, it can be possible. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side. Yes. Here you know the perimeter. It is a constant. Then you can find the side of the square. If you know the side, then you can find the area. Yes or no? So here perimeter is 320 equal to 4 into side. Yes, 4 if it comes here, it divides. So side of the square is equal to 320 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 8s are 0 as it is. Now side is equal to what? 80 centimeter. Yes, which is centimeter or meter? Meter. 80 meter. 80 meter into 80 meter. 8 8 are 64. 80 into 80, 6400. Meter into meter, meter square. So area of the square is what? 6400 meter square. Yes. So this is the answer. If you have given the perimeter, you can find its area. Yes, just pause it and take this answer. Yes, shall we take the next question here? What is the next question? Third one. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Here he has given the what? Breadth as well as area, and he asked the length. After getting the length, you can find the perimeter also. Okay, what is the area? 440 meter square. Then what is the length? 22 meter. Let's take here. If the area of a rectangular land is it third one? Okay. If the area of a rectangular land is what? 440 meter square. 440 meter square, what it is? It is the area. And it is given the length of the rectangle is how much? 22 meter. Then we have to find the breadth. After that, we have to find the what? Perimeter. Yes, area is given thing you have to write 440 meter square. Then length is 22 meter. Breadth we have to find. Then after getting the breadth, we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter is 2 times of L plus B. Perimeter of the rectangle is what? 2 times of L plus B. You know the length, you got the breadth, then you can find the perimeter. So first, if you know the area of a rectangle, can you find the breadth of the rectangle? Yes, it can be possible. Why? Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. You know the length, you know the area, then you can find the breadth. Just area is 440 meter square, meter into meter. Then length is how much? 22 meter into breadth. It comes here. Meter get cancelled. Then breadth equal to 440 meter divided by 22. 1s are 22, 20s are. Okay. Breadth of the rectangle is how much here? 20 meter. Breadth is 20 meter 6. Yes, if you know the breadth, you know the length, then can you find the perimeter? Very easily. Perimeter of the rectangle 2 times of L plus B. So it is equal to 2 times of length is 22 meter. Then breadth is 20 meter. Yes, 22 plus 20, 42. 42 2s are 84 meter. Yes, perimeter of the rectangle is what? 84 meter. And its breadth is 20 meter. Yes, just pause it and take this answer. Yes, is it over? Okay. Okay, let's take the next question. The fourth question. What is the fourth question here? If the perimeter of the rectangle is 100 centimeter and its length is 35 centimeter, then find its breadth and also find its area. Yes. Is it fourth question? The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is what? 100 centimeter and length is, yes, this is a rectangular sheet. Its perimeter is how much? Perimeter is 100 centimeter and its length is how much? 35 centimeter. We have to find the breadth of the rectangle, also area of the rectangle. Yes. Okay. So here length here is given 35 centimeter. You know the perimeter, you know the length, then you can find the breadth. How? By using the formula, perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times of L plus B. So perimeter is 2 times of L plus B. Wherever there is a B, put it value L, put it value, then find bread. T is 100 into 2, L is 35 plus bread. If 2 comes this side, divides 100 divided by 2, 50 equal to 35 plus bread. If 35 comes this side, here it is plus, if it comes this side, minus. So 50, B equal to 50 minus 35, how much? B is equal to 15 centimeter. What is the breadth of the rectangle here? 15 centimeter. Then you can find its area. Area of the rectangle, length into breadth. You know the length, then you know the breadth. You can find its area. Length is how much? 35. And breadth is, already we got 15. Yes. 15 5s are 75. 7 carry. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7. Very good. 52. So its area is 525 square centimeter. SQ centimeter or centimeter square. Yes. Just pause it and take this answer. Yes. Let's take here next question. The area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. It is very interesting as well as little bit confusion to you. If the area and rectangular park of things are areas are same, if the area of a square park and the rectangular park are same, its area is also same, both the areas are same. Okay, both the areas are same here, area of the square and area of the rectangle. It is very clear and thing. And length of the rectangle is 40 centimeter. Its length is how much? 40 centimeter. And side of the square is how much? Yes, the side of the square is 60 meter. 60 meter. Then you have to find the breadth of the rectangle. How? Nodri illi area find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ breadth ಹೆಂಗೆ find out ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? Don't know. Okay. Just come here. You know the side of the square. Yes or no? Yes, we know the side of the square. Then can you find with this side the area of the square? Yes, obviously, no problem. Area of the square is side into side. You already know one of the thing he has given. What is that? Area of the square is equal to area of the rectangle. Andra either area same ada. So if you get the area of the square which is equal to the area of the rectangle, yes, then you know the area of the rectangle length. Then can you find the breadth of the rectangle? It's too easy. Yes, shall we follow that? Okay. First we have to find the area of the square. Side is how much? 60 meter into 60 meter. 6 6 are 36. 3600 square meter is the area of the square. Okay. But we know given that area of square is equal to what? Area of rectangle. We have to say what? So here area of the square is how much? 3600 square meter. Area of the rectangle 2 times of area of the rectangle formula length into breadth. Okay, but you know the length of the rectangle here. Just put it 3600 square meter. You can keep as meter into meter. Length is 40 centimeter. Either it is in terms of centimeter or meter. Yes, both are in terms of I have taken the length of the rectangle is what? 40 centimeter. It is here what? 90 meter. The length of the rectangular park is what? 90 meter. Just it is 90 meter. Yes, the length is what? 90 meter into breadth. If 90 meter comes this side, here 1 meter get cancelled. So breadth is equal to what? 3600 divided by 90. 0 get cancelled. 9 ones are 9 fours are. Then this 0 comes here. So breadth of the rectangle is what? 40 meter. Yes. Breadth of the rectangle is what? 40 meter. Just pause this video and take answer. Okay. I hope you written. Let's take here the next question. Sixth question here. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. Note, it was the wire. Yes, what is there? There is a wire. What is the length of this wire is? Yes, this wire has bent in the shape of what? Rectangle. First is the rectangle shape bent madali. So what is the length of this rectangular shape of wire? 40 centimeter and breadth is what? 22 centimeter. First you have to take it in terms of rectangle. A wire now first ಯಾವ shape ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ rectangle shape Yes, what is the length of the rectangle? If your wire you bent in the shape of rectangle, and it is 6 1 here. A wire is bent in the shape of rectangle. Yes, it is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is how much? Yes, length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Breadth is 22 centimeter. Next, if the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಶೇಪಿಗೆ ರೀಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಶೇಪಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, what will be the measure of each side of the square? Suppose if you rebend it in the form of square, what is the side of each square? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವೈರ್ ಇರೋದು ಸೇಮ್ ವೈರ್ ಒಂದರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಶೇಪ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಂತ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೈರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, then what is the length of each side of the square? ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವೈರ್ ಅಂತ, boundaries are same. It is nothing but what? Perimeter of the rectangle as well as the square are same here. Yes or no? So one thing he has given here, what? Indirectly, perimeter of rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the square. Or you can take given that perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. This L ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ or directly ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ indirect ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ. Same length is rebent, means same wire is used to form a rectangle as well as square. But here perimeter of the rectangle formula is what? 2 times of m plus b. So it is equal to the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square is 4 into side. Perimeter of the square is 4 into side. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ? Side ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So we can find it. Here we know the length, breadth, 2 is constant, 4 is constant, then we can get a side. Yes. So length is 22 plus, length of the rectangle is 40 centimeter plus breadth is 22 centimeter. 40 plus 22, 62. 2 into 62 equal to 4 into side. Yes, just we need a side of the square, means if 4 comes this side, it divides Now multiply these two first. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. If 4 comes here, it divides. So 4 1s are 4 3s are, then 4 1s are. Then you got what? Side of the square is equal to what? 31 centimeter. Side of the square is equal to what? 31 centimeter. Even game 3, e side 6. Extra 31 centimeter. Next, what we have to find? Here only. Also find which shape encloses more area. Andre square encloses more area or rectangle encloses more area? We have to find. So for that purpose, we have to compare the area of the square as well as area of the rectangle. So first I want to find the area of the square. Area of the square is what? 31 into 31. 31 ones are 31, 3 carry, 31 threes are 93, 93 plus 3, 96 square centimeter. Area of the square is 961 square centimeter. Then area of a rectangle is how much? Rectangle length into breadth. Length is how much? Length is how much? Tell me. 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. 22 fours are how much? 88. 880 square centimeter. It is the area of the rectangle. Just compare these two. Which encloses more area? 880 is more or 961 is more? Yes, the 961 is more here. So, square encloses the more area. Square encloses the more area. Then what? Then rectangle. Yes or no? If you find the areas of these two, you will get the answer. Just pause this video and take it. Yes? I hope all of you are understanding these questions, how to solve. Can you solve the 7th and 8th of this textbook questions? Yes, what is the 7th one? The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find the area of a rectangle. It is too easy. You can do. Then a door length 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing wall is 20 rupees per meter square. This is little bit lengthy, but I want to give a homework. Will you try this one? Yes, just try this one. If you not get answer, you have to call me. Then I will take this one in tomorrow's class. Okay, are you ready? Okay, dear children, with this today's class we can conclude now. In tomorrow's session, we have to see the problems regarding perimeter and areas of triangle as well as parallelogram, including the circle also. Yes, take care. Bye bye.